How to fix NVIDIA control panel display settings missing or not showing up. So the first thing that we are going to do in order for us to get this done is go ahead and look for the device manager. Here in the device manager, I want you to go ahead and click the display adapters and then make sure that you have your NVIDIA here. Now you can right click in this one and then upgrade a driver here. You can just go ahead and search automatically for drivers. However, if the best driver is already installed, then you can go ahead and close this one and we are going to proceed. Now, I want you to go ahead and look for GeForce Experience. Make sure you download this one. Once we open this one, what we are going to do is basically look for the drivers. So I'm just going to close this, click drivers here, and then you should be able to see this one right here. Now, currently the version I have is 537.09, and the latest one is this one here. It's 560. So I'm just going to go ahead and download the latest one just like so. And then the next thing that we are going to do is basically open the services. So just go ahead and type here services just like so. You should be able to see this icon right here. Go ahead and click this one. Once you see it, I want you to go ahead and basically press the N key and you should be able to see the NVIDIA here. Now, we have two kinds of NVIDIA here that we are going to run. First one is this one here, local system container. Just go ahead and double click this one and then make sure that the startup is set to automatic. If you are seeing the server status here and it's blank, you can just go ahead and click the start button here. As you can see, in my case, it is running, so it is okay. Now, after doing so, make sure to hit apply and then okay. The next thing that we are going to do is this one here, display container local system or LS. Go ahead and click that one as well, and then make sure that your service status is running as well. Again, go ahead and click the start if it isn't, and then hit apply and then hit okay. After doing so, everything should be fixed. And yeah, I hope you find this video helpful. Have a good day, everyone.